So I just arrived here in Ginkaku Temple. So from Kitoiji train station, subway station, doon ako nanggaling. And then going, sumakay ako ng bus, 204. And then, konting lakad, mga 2 minutes. And then, marireach na natin to.
Ginkakuji or Silver Pavilion is a Zen temple along Kyoto Eastern Mountains or Higashiyama. In 1482, Shogun Ashikaga Yoshimasa built his retirement villa on the grounds of today's temple. A first sight of the Silver Pavilion can be enjoyed shortly after entering the grounds. Formerly named Kannon Den or Kannon Hall, the pavilion's 2-story are constructed in 2 different architecture styles and contain a statue of Kannon, the Buddhist goddess of mercy. However, the interior of the building is not open to the public.
Ayan guys, so we just arrived here in Ginkaku Temple. So this temple is 500 admission fee. Yung entrance niya 500 and then 300 for the child. Ayan, 500 is yung adult. Ganda dito kapag autumn. Pagka nag-ano na tong mga to, yellow, tsaka red, orange. So ngayon, all green siya kasi nga summer. Mainit. Ganda.
Modeling it after Ginkakuji or Golden Pavilion, his grandfather's retirement villa at the base of Kyoto's northern mountains, Kitayama. The villa was converted into a Zen temple after Yoshimasa's death in 1490.
Diyos ko, kahit saan may hagdan. Kapagod. Pero masaya naman.
The walking path then takes visitors through Ginkakuji's moss garden, which features ponds with islands and bridges, little streams and various plants. The path climbs a hill behind the buildings from where there are nice views of the entire temple grounds and the city beyond. At last, visitors can enjoy once more some closer views of the Silver Pavilion before exiting the grounds.
In Japanese,
Okay.
fu, rei, chi, and
Okay.
separation.
Okay.
And every Japanese character has a meaning.
Okay.
So first, fu means like a wind, and rei means summit, and shi means like happiness.
Ooh.
And last one is get. So your name in Japanese is win, summit, and happiness get.
Wow, I have a very beautiful name.
I wrote the meaning on the back side too.
Thank you so much. Arigatou
Thank you so much.
gozaimasu. I'm so happy.